Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to change ringtone on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open settings menu on your device. And then here you can scroll down. And then you can select sound and vibration menu. Okay, and then to change the ringtone, here please select ringtone option. After that here will appear 3 options between online ringtone, local ringtone, and default ringtone. Okay, and then here I will use the default ringtone, and then I will choose it. And then the new ringtone was successfully applied. That's the tutorial on how to change ringtone on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.